Good morning. It's Sunday. Girl, I made myself a smoothie, high in protein, but I just recently posted a video on my TikTok about like some high protein finds, and somebody was like, don't forget about the fiber. Thank you for that, because I definitely forgot about the fibers, especially in the smoothie. So I added some steel cut oatmeal to it and some, what is it called? Why is this slipping my mind? Flax seeds. I added some flax seeds. My vitamins, the vitamin D3, K12 supplement. I just open it up and just pour it in there because like I just don't feel like taking the pill. And then I also added some bee pollen because I heard bee pollen is really good for like inflammation and antioxidants. Apparently I can't drink it like a smoothie because all the berries in there, so I'm like chewing it literally like ice cream. Disgusting, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do this cute hairstyle that I saw somebody do on TikTok for the gym. It was like half up, half down, but it was a high bun. I already sprayed my hair today, so I should have put Change Church on earlier today because I was really having a rough day. Man. Do any of y'all like watching Change Church? Pastor Darius Daniels? I would go to the church if it was closer to me, but it's not. So I listen to him online sometimes. And I feel like everything that he says I can like relate to. Like it just feels like he's speaking to me like specifically. Just rake all this up to the top. Oh no. Hopefully I can do this hairstyle. I don't know if my hair's too thick to really do it, but I believe we can do anything, right? It's more messy than bunny. I really need bobby pins to make this look more so of like a vibe, but this is vibey enough for me. Yeah, this is still a vibe for me. It's giving messy, but okay, I just messed it up again. Hold on, y'all. This is the last time I'm gonna be doing this. So before I go to the gym, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like prep this turkey. That's spooky. I'm trying to make this smothered type of turkey. Calm down. These are huge. But I want to eat this one day, another one another day, and then I also got these drumsticks. See how big that is? A lot of protein. Put some lime juice on there. Some Haitian green seasoning that I made and I kept in the freezer. I've had this for over a month, you guys. This is a great hack. You just blend the ingredients. It's like peppers, onions, garlic, cloves, and then you freeze it. And whenever you're ready to use it, just defrost it or just take a piece out to defrost. You can kind of chip it off. I'll be using a little butter, flavor, push it down there. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just let this marinate while I'm in the gym.
Twisted, oh, girl, you got me what can I do?
I didn't even get to show you guys the turkey leg. So I threw some okra in there last minute. Just a little veggies. It is the next day, you guys. I actually went, I'm coming from my pole dancing class. It was so fun today. So this was the first time that I actually wore heels in a pole dancing class, and it made it way more easier. So, but I still want to practice without the heels so that I can do the most difficult thing and master that first. Girl, get out the kitchen. Get out the kitchen. Get out the kitchen. Today we learned how to like climb up the pole. It was a spin class. So for the intro to spin class, we learned how to climb up the pole and like sit. And then we also learned how to do this like contortion type thing where we put it behind our back and we spin. And she taught us how to do that with our legs standing up and with our legs like this. And she also taught us how to do like this little walking thing in the air. But yeah, y'all, it was so much fun, and I'm really excited to like okra's good. I'm really excited to do some more classes. This is gonna be a month series, so we're meeting every Monday to do this. But we actually had a student, not necessarily, I guess it was one of her students who taught the class. So hopefully in the next 6 months to a year, if I really get fire at it, I'm gonna start teaching classes because I really do enjoy doing this. I'm tired of I think that's my problem that I had before. But before I was just doing just gym. I wasn't doing the stuff that I really like doing. So I really love dancing. I was dancing ever since I was like a child, like 3 years old. That's just something that I've always been passionate about, and I kind of fell off after I graduated college. So I want to do a combination of dance classes, pole dancing classes. Dance classes will be for more so cardio, because I noticed that like when it comes to cardio, my body responds better and I get results faster if I'm doing something that's less stressful. It means in regards to cardio, so like going on a treadmill is cool and whatnot, but it's pretty boring to me, so it feels more like work. So I'd rather go hike outside. So we're gonna go on a hike later on this week, or I'd rather just dance, because I don't even feel like I'm working out when I'm doing this type of stuff. I feel like I'm just vibing. Like last week, me and Spooky, we found a new mountain to go to, and it was like we were hiking for like 2 hours, and it kind of felt like, I'm not gonna lie, because it was my first time there, it kind of felt like it, but it paid off. And it's a good thing that I'm used to hiking, so it didn't really feel that bad. But yeah, pole dancing will be for like upper body. I'll still be going to the gym, doing my glutes, still some back, because I'm trying to get that back snatched, okay? I want to pull it all together. Yeah. And then maybe I might find another activity to do. But I'm sticking with those for now. This turkey leg is about like 40 grams of protein. Like 35 to 40 grams of protein. Definitely feeling, it tastes so good. So good. Sure, y'all. Let me show you the setup. Let me show you the setup before my camera dies. Waist trainer from Amazon. Me and Key just came from our hike, you guys. It was 2 hours. Let me take my watch off so you guys can see. Today was cardio day, and we went hiking for cardio day. I wore my sweatband. I still gotta go to the gym and do abs, but this kind of like so sweatband, waist trainer from Amazon, but this also helps with your back. This is a size small. So before I was doing like waist trainer like full time with the steel bones, but it started digging in and just causing more issues. This is a more gentle form of waist training. I really like this because it's stretchy. It helps with your posture, and it feels like more so support. Like it's just like holding you versus just like squeezing you, if that makes sense. I also got this weighted vest from Amazon. I think this is the 12-pound, but it doesn't really feel that heavy. I don't know if it's because I have boobs and I just am used to carrying that weight around, but it just doesn't feel that heavy like on my back or anything like that. But I've been doing abs every day this week, you guys, and I see a difference. Clock it. I see a difference, and I'm excited for the next few weeks.